Hi everyone, welcome back to my math class. Today you are going to be learning partial fraction with denominator as a repeated root. If I have a fraction of the form h of x over x minus a raised to the power of n, where h of x is a polynomial in which the degree is less than that of the denominator, then the partial fraction is equal to a over x minus a plus b over x minus a plus c over x minus a raised to the power of n. Now, let's consider this problem. Express x plus 3 over x plus 2 raised to the power of 2 in partial fraction. If you look at the denominator, you will discover that it has a repeated root or a repeated factor. So to solve this in partial fraction, x plus 3 over x plus 2 raised to the power 2 is equal to a over x plus 2 plus b over x plus 2 raised to the power of 2. Now, at this point, we say x plus 3 over x plus 2 raised to the power of 2 is equal to, now the LCM of x plus 2 and x plus 2 raised to the power 2 is x plus 2 raised to the power of 2. So the next thing to do is for you to divide. X plus 2 raised to the power 2 divided by x plus 2, you are left with x plus 2. So x plus 2 times a will be a into x plus 2. Then x plus 2 raised to the power 2 divided by x plus 2 raised to the power 2 is 1. So 1 times b is b. So we have plus what? B. So you discover that x plus 3 over x plus 2 raised to the power 2 is equivalent to the right hand side. So at this point, we now have x plus 3 is equal to or is equivalent to a into x plus 2 plus b. Now, I'm going to equate the coefficients of x in order to get a. Now, to equate the coefficient of x, we have x plus 3 is equivalent to, if I open this bracket, I'm going to have ax then plus 2a plus b. So at this point, if I equate x, the coefficient of x here is equals to what? The coefficient of x here. So the coefficient of x here is a, and the coefficient of x here is what? 1. So if you equate the coefficient of x, you have ax is equal to x. So x will cancel x. Therefore, a is equal to 1. Now, having gotten the value of a as 1, you now equate the constants. Now, this is a constant at the left-hand side. The constant here will be 2a plus b at the right hand side. So we equate them. So we have 3 is equal to 2a plus b. But a is equal to 1. So we now have 3 is equal to 2 into 1 plus what? B. Therefore, we have 3 is equal to what? 2 plus b. So collecting like terms, b is equal to 3 minus 2 will be 1. So at this point, x plus 3 over x plus 2 raised to power 2 is equal to, now our a is what? Is 1 all over x plus 2 plus our b 1 over what? X plus 2 raised to the power of what? Of 2. And this gives us the final what? Answer. So if you find this video helpful, please click the subscribe button to see more of my interesting videos. Thank you.